Good afternoon, everyone. We have here 10 benefits of stem cell treatment. You have number one, reduces pain effectively. The use of stem cell in pain management works to provide pain relief and decrease the inflammation associated with the pain. The aim is to repair and regenerate the affected region while producing pain relief in an efficient manner. 2. Minimal post procedural recovery. In a typical surgical or medical procedure, it is not the treatment that takes a lot of time, but the recovery period. With the use of stem cell, recovery time is minimal. The goal is to help patients get back to their way of life faster. Number 3. Promotes responsible innovation. A stem cell treatment is an advanced innovation in the medical world that helps repair and rejuvenate damaged tissues, nerves, cartilages, and muscles. While the use of stem cell has proven fast relief, it also ensures safe and efficient results. Number 4. Increases functionality, range of motion, and flexibility. Patients are always eager to return to their daily routine, while stem cell treatments provide fast recovery. It also increases the functionality, range of motion, and flexibility of the joint, muscle, or part of the body that was damaged. One of the amazing benefits of stem cell treatment is to help patients restore their injured body part to the way it was prior to the injury. Number 5. Helps avoid surgery and its risk of complication. Stem cell treatments are non-surgical procedures. At Advanced Sports and Spine, our doctors utilize ultrasound and or fluoroscopy to deliver the treatment accurately and with reduced complication. No surgical procedure is needed to administer stem cell injections into the body. 6. Not just for pain management but for other medical conditions as well. Stem cell treatments are used for pain management procedures to repair, replace, or rejuvenate degenerative joints or damaged tissue, ligament, or nerves. However, stem cell therapies have been used in other medical conditions such as cardiovascular diseases, neurodegenerative diseases, diabetes, and other autoimmune diseases. Number 7. A potential way to reverse an injury. Some injuries can cause permanent damage to the tissue. Patients who experienced serious injuries from sports, work, or vehicular accidents tend to suffer from an enormous amount of pain and frustration. With the use of stem cell, damaged tissues can progressively regrow, reducing frustrations while providing pain relief. 8. Prevents nerve damage. There are surgical procedures that may result in nerve damage, which in turn affect the mobility and functionality of the body. With stem cell treatments, there is minimal risk of nerve damage. The stem cell is administered directly to the affected area, preventing the nearby nerves from being damaged. Number 9. No need for general anesthesia. While bone marrow used for those are the 10 benefits of stem cell treatment. Thank you for watching. Follow for more. God bless.